My name is Dr Anna Hemming. I'm the founder and the medical director of Thames Skin Clinic here in Twickenham. Today I want to talk about having a home peel, because at the moment our patients can't come to us and we're getting a lot of messages saying, how can we look after our skin? What is it that we can do at home to take our skin to the next level, and how can we achieve more radiance, more glow? And some people are saying, can I come in for a peel? And sadly, no, you can't, because we're still making sure that everyone stays safe and we're complying with the social restrictions. So we want to guide you through and tell you how within your ZO skincare program, we can enhance that to allow you to peel in the comfort of your own home. Now, many of you will be on a program, and within that program you will have a couple of the products that you already need for this peel. You'll have a cleanser and you will have your daily power defense, because all of my patients have the daily power defense as part of their program. It's a fantastic product, it's antioxidants, it goes into your skin and it helps to stimulate collagen and enhance the skin barrier, so it protects the skin. It also helps to create a really lovely cell turnover and even skin tone, as well as helping a natural glow. Okay. Now, it's worth looking at the indications for having a peel and what we're trying to achieve. We are going to be looking for something that provides a superficial exfoliation and stimulation, and it will give you epidermal renewal. So the cells within the epidermis are going to get stimulated, turn over more quickly, and some will be sloughed off. We're going to be looking to reduce fine lines, giving that mild anti-aging benefit from reducing the thickness of the stratum corneum. This also helps to decrease pigmentation, so it's not going to give you the level of peeling that you might expect from having a much deeper peel, but it is going to really help with pigmentation over time. It will also help to reduce oil, which helps to decrease congestion and acne, and will help with an acne treatment, and it will help to increase the thickness of the skin and making it more elastic and therefore tighter as well as stronger. It will accelerate cellular turnover, help stimulate collagen, and enhance the action of the products that you're already using at home. So there are benefits right across the board, which will make this a really lovely home treatment. The two active products that we're looking at is your Radical Night Repair. It's a 1% retinol, full of antioxidants, vitamin C, E, and something called coenzyme Q10. It contains something that will help to reduce oil production and control breakouts, as well as increase the skin tolerance, and so it's also fine for sensitive skin. Your hydrating agent, which was the other product that we were going to add to the plan, is fantastic as an anti-inflammatory, calming cream, which controls reactions and helps as an anti-irritant. Now, as I've already mentioned, this peel really is for people who have already been using a ZO plan. So if you're not on one, please don't use this peel, because you're going to run into some of the problems that we do see and try to correct. So those problems include overreactivity. You might get a lot of swelling. You will basically suffer from a chemical burn. And the other thing that we've got to really watch out for is something called post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, where your skin is stimulated to the level that it starts to produce pigmentation, and we try to remove that rather than give you more. The duration of your peel is going to be between 3 and 5 days, and we can have a light, moderate or strong peel depending on how much of the Radical Night Repair we use. So if you want a light peel, you're going to be using 4 pumps morning and night. For a moderate peel, 4 to 8 pumps morning and night, and for a strong peel, between 8 and 10 pumps morning and night. We always recommend you start with a light peel and build up, and then your skin will basically increase in its strength with subsequent peels. So how do you do it? First of all, you're going to wash your face with your exfoliating cleanser, or possibly the gentle cleanser if that's the one you have. You do that morning and night. So in the morning, we're going to be doing the exfoliating cleanser, followed by about 3 or 4 pumps of your daily power defense. This helps protect your skin. After doing that, we're adding on either 4, 8, 10 pumps of Radical Night Repair. Dr Obagi, who's been doing this peel on himself for a long time and who designed this product range, he's been using 13 pumps, which basically uses the whole of one of these tubes, which is 60 mils, in 5 days. Okay, so that's really strong. I don't recommend you do that to start with, but maybe you could build up to that. Okay. Now, after that, we're going to apply our SPF, and we're going to carry on around the house, because that's where we are at the moment, for the day. Using this hydrating cream, normally 4 to 5 times a day, and your reactivity will start on day 3, roughly. And you can repeat this for either 3 or 5 days in the morning. In the evening, you wash your face again, so 60 seconds, scrubbing all over your face, making sure that the exfoliating or calming gentle cleanser will lather up and giving your face a really good scrub. Then in the evening, we're going to miss the daily powder defense, we're going to put on our Radical Night Repair and then go off to bed. But we're not going to go to bed for a little while because we want this product to treat your face and not your pillow. Now, you would expect to have reactivity starting around day 3. And you will get redness, dryness, peeling, irritation and exfoliation. And we've demonstrated that really nicely. Lizzie, who's done this peel very recently, has been sharing her videos with me and I've been posting them. So you can have a look at those on YouTube to see what that's actually like, and we'll put her results up very soon. Now, throughout the day, you're going to be using your hydrating cream. You're going to be using this right the way through. And even when you've stopped after day 5, you can continue to use the hydrating cream in order to help to settle the reactivity down. Now, if for any reason you desperately suddenly want to stop the peeling and it's something that you need to do quickly, you stop the products. Stop putting the Radical Night Repair on and just continue with your hydrating and calming cream, just like you would have done right at the beginning of your program if you had reactivity. So there you have it, one home peel, 3 to 5 days long, light, moderate or strong in its nature. And if you want to prepare your skin for doing this peel, you're not already on the Zeo Skin Health products from Clinic, then I'd be very happy to help you with that. We can do remote consultation, so I can assess your skin, make sure you've got the right skin, advise how long you need to be using a regular protocol for before doing this peel. And the outcome, we're looking for healthy, glow, even tone, tighter skin, reducing fine lines and wrinkles, and overall a really positive result. So thank you very much for listening, and I hope to hear from you soon. And if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Take care.